Hi guys, I am playing around with some supplies today. Sunny Studio just came out with these tags. One's a square, one's a circle. They're called scalloped tags, circle and square, and I really like the shape of it with the little stitching in the middle. So I thought I'd create some simple tags using the new release from Not Too Shabby. So this is the Warm and Cozy set, and then I have the Happy Holidays set, and I did a card with the Happy Holidays set. So this is how it turned out. I popped up the little snow globe. So what I did was I cut the image and I just cut it around the round part of the snow globe and then popped that up and then stamped the rest of the images directly onto the paper there. So it gives it a nice dimension and focal point. I stamped out my sentiment right there, Merry and Bright, added some glitter to the stars, and then I wanted it to look like the candle was casting a glow onto all the objects, and I thought this would look really nice to make a little like fireplace mantle and then stamp these on top. That would be really cute, and I just did some shading with the yellow with my colored pencils over my Copics. So I thought that turned out really cute. So I wanted to make some tags with these colored images I already had colored, and I'm going to stamp out the warm winter and then wishes here at the bottom. And for the center here, I thought I'd bring in this color, fossilized amber, and I thought it was like a warm buttery yellow that would look really nice with the gingerbread latte and gingerbread cookie. So I'm going to take one of my smaller blending brushes. This one looks like a really good size. I'm going to make sure I have this cleaned off and I didn't leave ink on my brush from last time. So I'll just get some a cloth and just rub. Make sure no ink's coming off on there. And then what I love about the blending brushes is you can get a really nice soft blend. I'm going to start in the middle. I like to dab off on a scratch piece of paper first, just so it's not too harsh. And then I'm just going to blend going outward. And then kind of like fade it off into white. Okay, and then I'm going to have my little characters there, and then I could stamp my sentiment. So we'll go ahead and stamp the sentiment down. I like using the VersaFine Clear in black for my sentiments. It's a nice rich black. And then I'll place my cute little characters down here. We'll stamp out wishes. Forgot about that. Okay, now let's dress this up with some twine and maybe pop up these images. So I just have some foam squares that I'm just going to use for the back. Okay, so now this die comes with a smaller one, and I wanted to add that to the back and add a little to and from so we could write our recipient. So from the Lawn Fawn new release, there is a sentiment from me to you, and I'm going to use that. So I'm just going to put that from me to you. I'm not even going to stamp it straight. I'm going to stamp it all wonky. I think it looks cute that way. From me to you, and then what would be really cute is if I put like a little candy cane or something on there. Let's see what I have. There's a tiny present from the Lawn Fawn release that I'll use. Let's see. Stick it down there or up here. If I knew I was going to use this little present, I would have put the from up higher so I could fit this one down here. I think it looks better down here in the corner. Okay, so I'll color that in. I'm going to look for some twine or ribbon for this. So I have a red and white stripe and this butternut orange color. So I'm going to use those two together. I think they match nicely with my colored images. I'm not going to do any shading on this little tag here. We'll leave it really simple. Okay, now I'll add a little bit of sequins for some sparkle. We'll add some gold sequins. Okay, that will complete our tag. Super cute, very easy to make, and then the little from me to you in the back. I'm going to do another one with these two images that I have colored up from the Happy Holidays stamp set. So I'm going to do the yellow behind the scene here. I'm going to use the little stamp Happy Holidays. Put that in the corner. We'll add our little images here at the bottom. I'm just going to color in the H's with a red Copic marker. And then we'll add some red twine. So I have a little to and from that I'm going to use. We'll just color that image in really quickly. And I'm trying not to touch the ink because it's not a Copic safe ink. But I just want to get some color on there. And then we'll attach it to the back of this tag. Okay, now we have a finished tag. Super cute. We can add some sequins for some sparkle. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.